Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch washing machine. It's a Varioperfect WAQ283SOGB12. It's full of water, so there's something maybe wrong with the pump, but it also had an error 43, I think. So there might be a problem with the motor as well, but this video will just look at how we drain it down and check the pump. So down in the front there's this little door here. Let's pop it open. And in there's a little rubber hose. You pull that out and it's got a little cap on the end of it. We'll open that up and drain it into a bucket. I'm in a place where I can drain it straight into this bucket, so I might just go for it. Just opening up that plug there. Oh yeah. Okay, so the plug's clear. That's all we're looking for there. Check those impeller blades, there's nothing stuck on them. That's cool. Put this one back in. We need to... So there's these little slots cut in there and they line up with little fins somewhere in there, I think. There we go, tighten that up. If it's ever stuck and the door won't open for some reason, there's this little plastic thing here, and if you pull that down, that little thing there, that'll open the door. But we don't need to do that now because it's not stuck. That's the lint filter. Snap that back in, and that's it. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. See you later.